This is an emergency update video. If you hold Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts, why I think this is an emergency video, and honestly, why I think we're going to be heading lower here very, very soon, possibly today or this weekend, or not much longer after. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and that you stick around to the very end of this quick, short, get to the point emergency video. So what we can see is that Bitcoin yesterday had a very bullish move, very cool. Great to see Bitcoin from the bottom to the top, pumped about 3%, about 3%. And last night, or actually early this morning, Bitcoin had broke down from this level and basically, had a dip or a little bit of a crash. And what we are starting to see is a very consistent pattern here. With every single pump, we just break down, come back down very quickly. Pump there, we break down very quickly, come back down, and we're continually making lower highs. This is very bearish. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that we are in a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. And I believe as we are at a very critical support right here, that we're going to be breaking this support very, very soon and heading lower to fill in some of this inefficient price action over here, which is gaps or unfilled orders. Whenever you get very big, fast moves, where you see candlesticks like this, very long candlesticks where there's no buying and selling in between. It's just a very quick move. It leaves a lot of unfilled orders which get filled, and then the price continues to head lower. So there's a whole bunch of gaps and inefficient price action in this level here. There's a CME gap, and I think that Bitcoin can probably come down to around these levels here, between $19,500 to $22,000, give or take. Somewhere in this range, I think Bitcoin is headed. The first stop is going to be 23,800. This is going to be around $24,000. This is a very key and strong level, support or demand that the price will likely gravitate towards. We could get a very big, fast flush down, or it could take some time as we slowly grind, get these little pumps along the way and slowly grind down. But I think at some point, especially with all this inefficient price action, we're going to come down quickly. There's going to be a big move, and I think it's coming soon. So this video is to warn you all and prepare you all that this is a likely scenario. Can I be wrong? Yes, I can certainly be wrong. I've been wrong many times before, but I am very, very confident that we are going to be heading lower and possibly crashing or seeing lower prices. If I am wrong, the bullish scenario would be for Bitcoin to break above yesterday's high, which is approximately $26,400, and we hold above this level. Then we can start testing these resistant levels, and then we look for higher price targets at that point. But at this point, it does not look like that is going to be happening. So we can keep an eye on that, keep an eye on that market chart for that if that is the case. So the bullish case scenario, that happens. The bearish case scenario in the immediate short term, Bitcoin breaks this morning's low, holds under, tests this low, breaks under, holds under there. Then we're going to start testing 24,000 and lower. So these are the levels that I am looking for. Now, if you were in my Patreon, I put out a short alert. We shorted the market yesterday. We're making money every single week in my Patreon. If you go to my Twitter, I post my trades right here. That we had an aggressive short at Bitcoin at the very top yesterday. People shorted it and made a lot of money by shorting it this morning. And I gave them a take profit and everything as well. So we made money. You can have access to that by joining the Patreon. The link for that is in my video description. It's only 50 bucks a month. We're making profits every single week, guaranteed. I also have a trading indicator that I developed that includes my trading strategy that gave a sell alert before the crash this morning. So you could have used that. Also before the pump yesterday, it gave us a buy alert. So you could have used that as well with confluence to your own trading, and you could have made money buying up and down in this market. With my indicator alone, that's going to outperform the best traders in the world. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.